Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do an animal balloon giraffe. You're going to need a 260 yellow balloon, a balloon pump, and a black Sharpie. So we'll start by blowing up our balloon, leaving about a 2-inch tail. Let out a small amount of air so you can tie it easily. All right, we'll start with the head about a hand's width apart, and then we're going to do 2 smaller bubbles for the ears. Fold it over, do another same size bubble. And then we're going to do a longer, about 2 hands width for the neck. Now we're going to do the legs, about a hand's width length. Fold it over. Going to do another leg the same size. Now we'll do the body, about a hand and a half width. 2 more legs. Fold over to do the same size. And we're going to tuck the tail between the legs to lock it in. All right, now we're going to get our Sharpie. And we're going to draw our face. We'll just put an eye. And we'll do another eye over here. A mouth. And then we'll just draw some circles for the spots. Now I always use Qualitex balloons because they are the best quality, so you get less popping. And you should always store your balloons in a cool, dark place, because the sunlight or the light and the heat will weaken your balloons and they will pop easier. So there we have it, a simple giraffe balloon. Thanks for watching.